of a fairly famous story about the blind man and the elephant. And it's a good story for the coexist theme for this year. Because it's about, the elephant is an analogy for God. And in the story, the blind men are the different religious sects that all seek for God. So here's the story. Once upon a time, in a dark jungle at night, there were two elephants. And they were standing in a clearing when along came a Minnie Mouse. And it was so dark, Minnie Mouse couldn't see where she was walking, and she bumped into the elephants. And she bumped into the side of the elephant in the darkness. In the darkness.
Mike.
In the darkness. She bumped into the elephant, and in the darkness, the roughness felt just like a wall. And the Minnie Mouse said,
"This might be a wall."
and then, in the darkness, along came a princess. And the princess couldn't see where she was going, and she bumped into the elephants. And in the darkness, she reached out and touched me. She touched a leg, but in the darkness it was rough and round, and it felt just like a tree. And the princess said,
"This must be a tree."
and after a minute, along came a fairy. And the fairy couldn't see where she was going, and she bumped right into the elephant. And she touched the tail, but she touched the tail, and the tail was long and thin and had a tuft of hair at the end, and it felt just like a paintbrush. So she said,
"This must be a paintbrush."
and then, lo and behold, after another minute, along came a Spider-Man unicorn. And the Spider-Man unicorn bumped into the elephant's trunk, and it was long and squiggly, and it felt like a snake. And the unicorn said,
"This must be a snake."
and you know what? They all overheard each other, and they fell to bickering and arguing. They started arguing. And while they were arguing, the sun came out. And suddenly they could see, and they looked behind themselves, and they said, "Really, it's an elephant!" And they all lived happily ever after.